Hello guys, this is the DSC 1864 and we're going to show you how to wire it for key bus integration with our MX03, our newest communicator on the market. In order to make the communicator work for key bus integration, we need the aux positive and aux negative. We're also using a yellow and green wire. On this side of the panel we're using the ring and tip telco terminals. The tip and ring go over here. The green cable is wired to DAT2 and the yellow wire is wired to DAT1. We have a plus and minus that goes to aux power terminal. Now that we have our wiring done, we need to enter the programming mode, which is *8, and then the installer code, which is 5555. We start our programming by entering section 301. Here we need to have a default phone number, so I'm going to enter 123456. And I'm going to finish with the *6*, then the pound key. Now that our phone is ready, we need to enter section 310. Here we need to have a 4-digit account number, which I'm going to set to 1234. Then I'm going to leave with the *66. I'm going to continue with section 311. We need to receive events with the same account number, so I enter 1234, and it's done. Now we enter section 350. We need to select 03, which is contact ID, which is default, just to be sure it's set correctly. Now I'm going to enter section 351. And I need to toggle 1 as on and press pound again. Our next section is 367, and we need to toggle 1 on as well. Then section 380, we need to make sure 1 is toggled on. Next is section 381, and we need to toggle 7 to off. Once we have it, we press pound and then pound again. Our panel is ready for communication. Additional video tutorials for this product and the mobile application are available on our YouTube channel.